Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Obviously if you are new, welcome to our channel. We are talking about smart money concept for today's. Welcome back. Today we will discuss about the market structure part 2. It is part 3 of the overall playlist of the smart money concept. The part 2 means about we have already talked about the uptrend. For today, we are talking about the downtrend. So the market structure moves in a trend, in an uptrend or a downtrend. So for today's, we are speaking about downtrend. So you can enjoy, let meet in the chat, go and watch and learn more. We offer free education every time. Let me in the chat. Alright guys, let's meet in the chat. So alright guys, as we have said, obvious every time, it's a downtrend. So a downtrend is more like the uptrend. If you have watched the video, if you have not watched the video of the part 1 of this video, go and watch to my playlist. That is a smart money concept. So alright guys, this is a downtrend as we have said. So downtrend is where there is a long and a long what? Let's show. Amazing. Let's discuss that. That is fantastic. That makes the things clear first. Why? Yes. That okay. So this is where there is an down, correction and down, correction and down, correction and down. That is okay. So this is what we call a high. So this is a low, low. This is a high, low. This is a low, low. This is a high, low. This is a low, low. So, alright, guys, that's amazing. So, as you can see, this is a downtrend. So, as a trader, what you are supposed to be looking as a smart money trader concept, you need to be looking mostly about where there is a high, low. We should sell at this point, at this point, at this point. So, this is the time where the big banks are moving the market. So if you try to sell, to buy, you will be stopped out. And you can see that there is a big run. There is a big run. And if you have watched the last video of them, an uptrend, we saying that this is what we call imbalance. This is what we call imbalance. This is what we call unbalanced market. Balanced market where both sellers and buyers are in the trade, guys. So let's repeat again. So this is where there is both buyers and sellers. So there is a lot of traders at this time placing their trends. So we should be selling at this top of the ranges, top of the ranges, top of the range. So whenever, all right guys, so whenever every time you come in the market, your mind should be looking, it is either an uptrend or a downtrend. So in your market, as you open the chart, the first thing that you should look actually, it is an uptrend or a downtrend. So you cannot tell me that you are you need to look the direction of the market. That's the key point. As that is a smart money concept trader, you need to know the direction of the market. And how do you identify the market direction? Is either an uptrend or a downtrend or a raging market. So for today's, we have discussed about how to identify the downtrend. So that fantastic guys. So every time you need to know if it is an uptrend or a downtrend. For a downtrend, it is making a high low and low low, a high low and a low low. So this is just drawing. So we are going to the real chart. You identify the right and correct, and how to you identify the downtrend. We have already discussed about the uptrend, guys. So if you have not watched the video, go and watch it and subscribe to our channel so you can get the free education every time. Let's go to our MetaTrader 5 for looking the chart. I use the candlestick, so that is the key point. We identify the market structure. Make this forex easy. The forex is easy if you have that art of understanding. So let's see ourselves the MetaTrader 5. Amazing. Right, yes. Let's go to MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. Let's meet ourselves to MetaTrader 5, where we will use what? JP as our example. Boom. Yes, that amazing. There is no even wastage of time. We are already in the MetaTrader 5. Amazing, guys. So that's fantastic. So we are looking at a downtrend, guys. So at a downtrend, this is a very example good of a downtrend. So let's look at a correction, a move, a correction, a move, a correction, a move. So this is a raging. So the next episode we will look at the raging. So if you look at this point, this is a downtrend, a pure clean downtrend. So take an example. You don't know the concept of the market structure. You open your chart and you meet what? You meet that give us an scenario. You meet the market is making it correction at this point. You try to do what? To buy at this point. To buy at this. Probably your TP will to be to the next key level and the stop loss will be here down. So probably your stop loss will be 8 because you are out of the market structure. Now that is how the importance of having the concept of the market structure. So that is a very amazing. So guys, so you need to understand the market structure. I can say the backbone of the smart money concept is the market structure. The backbone of a trader who uses pure smart money concept is having the market structure. Even the price action traders, they use the market structure is the key point, because you cannot buy at the correction level. So these we call them correction. So this is an imbalance. This is where the market is balanced. This is where the market is imbalance. So we should go short. We should sell at this point. Sell at this point. That amazing. So after selling at this point, obvious our stop loss will be at this point. Our TP will be to the next key level. To the next key level. That amazing. That are fantastic. If you understand, if you grab something, make sure you get something in. Let's take to another example, guys, so that you can understand very fully and have all the informed that you need in the smart money concept, that is the market structure. I want you to understand more and deep about the market structure. Whenever you come in drain trading, you have all these concepts, guys. Let's look to another example. Amazing. Oh, let's look to another example. Amazing. This is another example. This is another example where we are going to have the both that is the downtrend. You can see this is a downtrend, a bit of correction. So we tapped up to this point. This is high low. So this is a high low. This is the low. We come down again, a sort of correction. This is a low. This is a high low. Another move down. This is a low. This is a sort of correction. High low. So as a smart money concept trader, so the higher institution traders, they are taking their trade at this level, at this level, at this level, at this level, the high low. So and our stop loss should be above, and it's not very clearly we avoid the liquidity sweep. So you need even to understand that. So that is amazing, guys. These are some messages that are coming, so stop with that. So we are saying that this level, this levels that are amazing, that whenever there is correction we take a trend, correction we take. So let's say an example. You have met that trade, you have opened your trade. Let's say this is what then. Let's say an example. Let's use this line here. Yes. So you come past, let's say you don't have all this shit here. Let's say you don't know what is going to happen in the future. So you have opened your chart and you have met it. It is a downtrend. We will identify your downtrend. You will say there is sort of correction and you are waiting for another what? Correction. So as a good trader, you wait for a correction, you take your sell here, the next key level, and the stop loss above these highs. That amazing, that fantastic. All right, guys, so keep watching my channel. I will this is a free education that I'm giving you, the smart money concept, so follow it. If you want to use the stop loss as you want to use smart money as your strategy, this is the beginning of your strategy. This is the backbone of strategy. Stop watching gurus, watch them, but you need to have those basic things for you to trade in the forex. I have 2 year experience, guys, so I know these things. I have done them. So you watch. I go streams every day. Let meet to our London section streams and New York streams every day. That is where you will see the reservoir is the experienced trader who trains every time, guys. So let me trade the London section every time. Peace be with you. Trade wisely every time, guys. Let's meet the next episode of the constellation of the market. Right, guys? Amazing, fantastic.